Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Grace with the Great. I film about faith and I inspire people to be even more productive. Now today we're looking at another very interesting topic. We will be talking about the true quality of great men. Now I know we all have great people around us, okay? You have role models. The world has established, certain personalities as great men, okay? There are some names you call today in various spheres of life, and we know that these ones are great. You could think of your entertainment industry, you think of the financial world, whatever sphere you wanted to look at, there are some people who have successfully made a name, a great name for themselves. Now, when we study each and every one of these persons, some traits are very common amongst them. Obviously, a leader, a great man, is hardworking, he is visionary, he has a goal, he has potentials, the qualities of a great man, whatever made him that much successful. However, there is one underlying factor which is not very much spoken about, but it is of prime importance, and that is servanthood. A great man is a servant. Okay, to have the heart of a great man, you need to be ready to be a servant. You need to be ready to serve the people. It's not just about, finding a problem in the society, trying to solve it, receiving the accolades. It really doesn't end there. Because if you would like to maintain your position of greatness, be prepared to be a servant. The heart of a true leader is a heart of a servant. Okay, this person thinks of meeting the needs of each and everyone, right? Meeting the needs of people, meeting the needs of your employees, of, those who work for you or with you. You think of always helping them out. You think of being kind to them. Okay, obviously, if you are a leader of a group of persons, these people are probably learning from you. They are picking one or two things from you, so you are at the forefront position. It's one thing to preach a thing, it's another thing to practice what you preach. These guys need to be ready to be servants to the people they're actually training and bringing up. Yes, you will get all of that influence, you will get all of that, the pride, just the joy that comes with being great. However, there is the space for being a servant. Only a forgiving heart can actually be great. So a heart that forgives, a heart that actually makes space for potential problems, that is the heart of a true great man. Okay, because you know that there will be problems as you go through whatever it is you embark upon, as you go through your day-to-day, as you achieve these goals. Not everyone sees things the way you do. So for you to actually shift their mindset from wherever they are to your space, be ready to be humble. Okay, you're going to meet people with all sort of characters, people who are not even ready to listen to you, people who are there to find fault, but be ready to be humble. Once you're able to forgive people, it makes it easier to be a servant. Okay, bear in mind that you may be at a certain level in life, however, anyone else could have been at your spot, so you should always be grateful for how far you've come. You should always be grateful for how far you've come. So do not over amplify the accolades you receive as a great man. Okay, this is something that I believe every great person actually understands, and I speak from my very little position of leadership. You need to not over amplify what people say about you, because the more you focus on the accolades, the more you focus on the praise, that would pull you down. Don't get me wrong, there is a place for recompense of your hard work. There is a place for, well done, you did it, you worked hard, you got the results. However, do not over amplify these accolades, because doing that would only pull you down. Doing that would only shift your mind to, where you don't want it to be. You want to keep progressing, you want to keep learning more, teaching other people. So try to focus on the why you started whatever it is you started. This is a very strong quality of a great man. He is a servant. In conclusion, please work hard to get to that top position. Work very hard, to get to that leadership position, to achieve your goals. However, behind the scenes, get ready to be a servant. Okay, once you have that innermost heart of servanthood, chances are that you would retain that leadership position for even longer. Okay, work hard, but be prepared to be a servant. Whether or not you like your leaders today, believe me, they are servants. They're actually there to serve us, and to the best of their abilities, they're doing what they can. We may not all agree with this statement, however, they know what they go through on a day-to-day basis. Okay, and that's it from my end today, guys. If you've watched up until this point, you are super amazing. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends, okay? And please subscribe to this channel if you've not done that. I'll make sure I see you again very soon. Take care now. Bye.